We'll guide you through how to create a landing page in Mailchimp. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side. Click on the Create Campaign button, and from the drop-down menu, select Landing Page. This will take you to a new page where you need to give your landing page a name. Make sure to choose something descriptive that helps you remember its purpose. Next, you'll be prompted to select an audience for your landing page. Choose the audience you want to add contacts to, or create a new one if necessary. After that, click on Begin to start designing your page. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates, so pick one that suits your needs. Once you've selected a template, you'll be taken to the design editor. Here, you can customize your landing page by adding images, text, and call-to-action buttons. Simply drag and drop elements from the right-hand menu onto your page and adjust them as needed. You can change the colors, fonts, and styles to match your brand. Remember to include a clear call to action, like a sign-up form or a download link. When you're satisfied with the design, click Save and Close in the bottom right corner. Before publishing, make sure to review your page by clicking Preview to see how it will appear to visitors. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish to make your landing page live. You can now share the unique URL of your landing page with your audience through email or social media. Keep an eye on the performance metrics in Mailchimp to see how well your page is doing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.